Hello and welcome. My name is Liam Harden. I'm the creator behind Dios3DWorld. In this video I wanted to show you the new update for my fantasy elevator system that is available at my Unreal Engine Marketplace store. In the feedback that I received so far, did some of you request an easy way to use your own meshes with this elevator system. In addition to that, I created 3 more elevator styles with matching levers. Let's begin by having a look at the new models. For consistency, I added a wooden style with ropes, one made out of stone with a column beneath, and a metal one with chains. As before, you can select one of these new models via the drop-down. Additionally, here you have a custom option where you can use your own meshes and set some variables below under the custom elevator section. Here you can drag and drop your own meshes from the content browser into the 3 corresponding static mesh slots. Next, you can use the variable plate height to set how far the pressure plate should stick out above the base mesh. With the next 2 variables, you tell the elevator system how high one segment of the hoist mesh is and at what height the first one should be generated. By default, the hoist mesh will be generated upwards for chains or ropes. If you have a column style like the Stone 2 elevator, you untick this boolean so the mesh will be generated downwards. Lastly, you can select a fitting sound to the style of your meshes via the dropdown. Similarly with the lever, you can select custom at the drop-down and set your own skeletal meshes under the custom lever section. Note that the skeletal mesh must have the same skeleton as the other levers. And this covers all of the new features of this update. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about this and other features you would like to see added. Check out my stores via the links down below. Stay creative and I hope we see you soon again. Thank you for watching.